The officers. How far?
Emma, I need privacy. We are trying to get to the root of this matter. Ọmọnyi ṣó fi ìgbà kan ṣàìsàn níjọ́ tí incident ẹ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ manage or I can't mo fẹ́ mọ̀.
No, go sick. Fún ara mi ni mo lọ drop Dọ́lápọ̀ ní school. Ẹ gbọ́ bá Dọ́lápọ̀.
Mọ́mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo tún fẹ́ béèrè, ǹjẹ́ ẹ fìgbà kan ká ọmọ yín àbí bóyá ẹ wọ yàrá ẹ bá nǹkan bíi egbògi olóró àbí something like that tó ṣàlẹ̀ ẹ̀pá ọmọ yìí wọ́n ṣe predict tó bá ń ṣe kan gbà mí you never can tell where they go or what they do. Bóyá ẹ kò wọlé and you stumble on egbògi olóró àbí kankan nínú yàrá ẹ.
What? Dọ́lápọ̀ ọmọ ti tèmi. God forbid. Ọmọ tèmi ò kí ń ṣe ọmọ rádaràda. Àfọwọ́tọ́ a tún fi mọ̀nà ilé Olúwa. Jésù làwọn képe. Ọmọ mi oyin kan tí ẹ ń sọ mi understand yín àbí kí ni nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ má jù mí sí
ẹ má bínú calm down.
Mommy, are you sure of this, man?
I'm very sure. Ọmọ mi ò ń ṣe bú èèyàn báyẹn kò báyàn jà kò lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ kò ní anybody. So kí lè máa Dọ́lápọ̀.
Mọ́mí ẹ má bínú ìdí tí mo fi ń bèrè ni pé autopsy ẹ ti jáde and from the result of this we discover that ọmọ yín wọ́n fún ní abẹ́rẹ́ olóró pàdéjì. Mọ́mí ẹ farabalẹ̀ mà ẹ farabalẹ̀ mà òun ni mo ṣe ń bèrè ẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ní pé kò ṣe we will get to the roots of this matter. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ mọ́mí ẹ farabalẹ̀ mọ́mí ẹ farabalẹ̀. Ẹ jókòó ma. Mọ́mí ẹ má wọrí àmà. Kó bàtà là ń bá kiri. A ti fẹ́ máa lọ báyìí. Tá bá tún ní questions to ask you, a máa tún padà wá. Ẹ má wọrí. A máa ṣọ́ láti mú ẹ tó ṣiṣẹ́ lábẹ́ yìí.
Officer.
Ògèrè pè sí o.
Bàbá Dọ́lápọ̀. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ṣé tẹ́lu yín bá wọ ọ̀pọ̀lọ́ yín náà tún wá ní? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ọjọ́ ní burúkú sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọ́ yín ràdẹ̀ ọkùnrin. Mo dáràn. Ọmọ tèmi. Ọ̀dọ̀ mo tẹ́ bá.
You see, Dọ́lápọ̀ is such a special boy that everyone is proud of in the school. And to think that anyone will plan and see him dead is still a puzzle. Níbikíbi tí wọ́n bá ti ń fa ìjọba, ẹ lè ever rí Dọ́lápọ̀ rí. Really? I am telling you, nobody will have chosen Dọ́lápọ̀ to be head of the students if he's such a hooligan. We made him a senior prefect because of his character. I just wonder why anybody will have chosen to harm him and make him dead.
Thank you, sir. And sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Can we, in a way, meet with the teachers?
No, you're not inconveniencing me. All I'm trying to do is to vindicate the school in this case. So I'll call for a meeting of all the teachers right away.
There is no way we can avert accounting convention and accounting principles because we must be.
Yes, sir. Mr. Kumi, how are you doing?
Fine. The principal needs our attention at his office immediately.
Hope no problem.
At all, but Emon, but don't share in school now. We need to sort it.
Okay. I'll be hot for some minutes, please. But quickly distribute between accounting profession principles. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good day, everyone. I summoned this meeting, and I'm very sorry for whatever inconvenience this might have caused us, because I know this is a period when we're very busy with our students in the classrooms. But we have no choice but to do that so that we can get into the bottom of the issue concerning the death of Dolapo Adigun, which means that our working hand in hand with this gentleman here, and I will employ us to give whatever facts and details you know about this our senior prefect, so that we can get to the root of the matter to vindicate the school. So, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Good day, everyone. At first, we want to give our candid condolence to the loss of one of your students in the school. As touching Dolapo Adigun, the deceased. We are here because of the result of his death. The autopsy, I mean. But with surprise, it has to do with a poisonous syringe.
Yes?
Poison, you said?
Exactly. The more reason we are here today. We are missed as well. And that is why we want to cooperate with us, so we can apprehend these ill perpetrators. That's if you don't give us a big dark forest to clear. We need your cooperation maximally.
Sir, can we know the class teacher of Dolapo?
Oh, Dolapo's teacher?
Ó jẹ́ ọmọ tí èèyàn máa ń rí tínú ló dẹ̀ máa ń dùn. What a brilliant student.
Then if then, ta ló wá lè ṣekú pa Dolapo?
Sir, I don't expect that pé ó jẹ́ pé mi ló yẹ kẹ́ máa bí ní question.
Mr. Kumi, don't be panic. You know you are the class teacher of the girl. We have to ask you all this question.
Okay, I can remember. Níjọ́ kan mi sí ní school, I'm not around, but ọjọ́ tí mo dé school, mo rántí pé àwọn student kan wá fún mi ní notice pé ìjà kan ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn student méjì tó jẹ́ àwọn student ẹgbẹ́. Wọ́n wá fún mi ní wọ́n wá notice nígbà tí mo ìjà ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ó dé ìbọn.
Tó involve Dolapo.
Just relax, okay? You will get it all.
How do you expect me to relax? This is our final year exam.
Just relax. This is senior boy. You will get it all.
I'm going to give you a helping hand. Moreover, we still have some days to go. But one thing you have to do for me is, you don't have to be in a hurry after school. And, I repeat, and I know they play with this one. You buy me lunch after school. No food. Nothing. You know, say I know the joke.
Only rather than check on it. Sha every time. Like,
Goodness, how ridiculous are you?
How do you mean?
Asking me such questions. I've looked around for you almost everywhere. Now you're asking me how do I mean? You left me in the classroom all because of this struck away rubbish.
I beg your pardon. How dare you address me as a stuck away rubbish?
Hey, guys, please stop this. You don't have to bring issue out of nothing.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that. You're coming with me this instant.
Please, guys, stop this.
Like seriously now.
Please, guys, stop this.
Joko, you're not going anywhere.
Bella.
Oh, please don't bella me. You've chosen your path, right? Watch your back. I promise you hear from me.
Bella, for.
This is unbearable. It's the lover boy.
Because
of this.
Lover boy.
What about you, Russia girl? You are the source. I don't understand.
So you're asking me, you don't understand?
Yo, I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. I'm sorry, it's my senior boy. It's my.
So it was just a friend, I didn't mean it.
But you didn't carry that! How did you tell me you didn't mean it? But you implemented the statement. Olomari, lo and pio. Ori, iwa, panoburuku.
The